Hello students, I am Professor G.N. Moite, Department of Agricultural Botany. In this lecture we are going to say about Mendelian principles of heredity. There is introduction about Mendel's laws and crop on which Mendel worked. He had systematically worked on garden pea, that is Pisum sativum, and for his work he is known as the father of genetics. Mendel has selected garden pea as experimental material for his experiment, which has following advantages. That is well-defined characters, bisexual flowers, predominantly self-pollinated crop, easy hybridization, short crop duration. These are the advantages of using garden pea as a experimental material. Then characters studied by the Mendel. Mendel had worked on a garden pea and studied the dominant and recessive behaviors on a 7 different characters. That is plant height, position of the flower, shape of the pod, color of the pod, seed shape, seed color and seed coat color. Now we will see first law given by Mendel, that is law of segregation or law of purity of gametes. The law states that alleles separate from each other during gamete formation and pass into different gamete in equal number. This is law of segregation. In other words, when alleles of two contrasting characters come together in a hybrid, they do not blend, contaminate or affect each other while together. Then there are some features of the law of the segregation. When dominant and recessive alleles of a gene come together in a single hybrid, they do not mix or blend together. The alleles remain together in a pure form without affecting each other, and for this reason the law of segregation is also referred as a law of purity of gamete. The alleles separate into different gametes in equal number. Separation of two alleles are take place due to separation of homologous chromosomes during meiosis. In case of complete dominance for single gene, the phenotypic segregation ratio in F2 generation is 3:1, and for two genes it is 9:3:3:1. There is an example given of law of segregation. In this example we will cross round seed shape with wrinkle seed shape plant. When we make a cross between round and wrinkle seed shape plants, the seed shape resulting in the F1 hybrids were all round type, but the F2 generation produced from F1 generation shelping were having two kinds of seed shape, that is round seed and wrinkle seed. Out of every 4 seeds, 3 were of round seed shape and 1 was having wrinkle seed shape. The detailed diagrammatically explanation is given in figure. In this figure we cross round seed shape with wrinkle seed shape plant and we get a round seed shape. And the phenotypic ratio is given as to 3:1 and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. This is law of segregation. Then next law is law of independent assortment. The law of independent assortment states that when two pairs of genes enter in F1 combination, both of them have their independent dominant effect. These genes segregate when gametes are formed, but the assortment occurs randomly and quite freely. Then important features of law of independent assortment. This law explains the simultaneous inheritance of two plant characters. In F1, when two genes controlling two different characters come together, each gene exhibits independent assortment behavior without affecting or modifying the effect of other gene. The two gene pairs involved are segregated independently. The alleles of one gene pair are freely combined with the allele of another gene. Each of two gene pair, when considered separately, they exhibit typical 3:1 segregation ratio in F2 generation. Free assortment of alleles of two genes lead to formation of new gene combination. Now we will see example of law of independent assortment. In garden pea, yellow round seeded plants crossed with green wrinkle seed shaped plants. The seeds resulting in the F1 hybrids were all yellow round seed. But the F2 generation produced from F1 generation selfing were having four kinds of seed, that is yellow round, yellow wrinkle, green round and green wrinkle seed in proportion of 9:3. 9:3, 3:1. And this is detail about law of independent assortment. Then we will see reasons of the Mendel's success. There are some reasons that is why Mendel became successful. First one is proper maintenance of record. He maintained record properly. Then study of individual character. Mendel studied each and every character of plant. Then choice of the material. The materials selected by Mendel is helpful for him making successful. Then maintenance of purity. Mendel has maintained the purity of the material by selfing. Then he always used pure material. Then knowledge of shortfall of earlier worker. Then mathematical background, that is basically the background of Mendel was mathematics and physics, which help him a lot to analyze the collected data. And then proper choice of the character. Mendel has recorded 7 contrasting characters for his experiment, and it is all about Mendel's law of heredity. Thank you.